Welcome to Media Studies Pro. Today, we explore the essential types of camera shots used in filmmaking. This is an extreme wide shot. It shows a vast environment, making the subject appear very small.
A wide shot captures the full body of the subject and some surrounding environment.
A medium shot frames the subject from the waist up. It is commonly used in interviews and dialogues.
A medium close-up focuses more on the face, while still keeping some body language visible.
A close-up highlights facial expressions and emotions, drawing the audience closer to the character.
An extreme close-up focuses on a small detail, like eyes or lips, to create intensity. The over-the-shoulder shot is commonly used in conversations to show perspective. A point-of-view shot shows exactly what a character is seeing. These are the basic camera shots every filmmaker should know. Follow Media Studies Pro for more media insights.